Is data analyst job still available in India for freshers? This question was asked by Pradyuman Tanwar. So Pradyuman, to answer your question, yes, jobs are there. IT giants like TCS, Infosys and Accenture are still hiring. But definitely there's a lot of competition now. And I'm not saying this just by looking at some random graph or trend on Google. I can say this because I work in the similar domain. I work in data science and AI domain, but I have friends and colleagues who work in data analysis and data engineering as well. And data is at the center of all of it. So the question is how to get these opportunities. Most easy way to start your career would be to get into a service-based company. These firms offer 3 to 4 lakh for freshers for an hour. Some product-based companies offer more, but they are tough to crack. In case you're not able to get into a service-based firm, you can try working in some startups as well, at least at the beginning part of your career, as they often take chances on freshers. Now, to get job in either of these firms, you need to have solid Excel skills, basic SQL, some understanding in hands-on of Power BI, W, and little bit Python knowledge as well. Even if you don't have a dedicated degree, you will be able to find some startup who will be able to who will be ready to groom you. But before applying, try to have basic knowledge of these skills that I mentioned. There are more ways that is followed by a lot of people to start their careers in data, and that is by doing internships at some of the reputed firms and try and give their best to turn that into a full-time opportunity. So chances of conversion in this scenario is less, but you will get a lot of exposure here. Also, it's very important to set your expectations right. It's definitely not necessary that you will be doing a lot of exciting work in the first few years of your career. Your first job might be very basic data entry, simple reporting and all that. But stick around for 1-2 years and get that experience as it will help you in the long run. And in the meantime, dedicate some time every day to skill up. You can join analytics Vidya community. We have a lot of competitions and seminars happening. You can participate in Kaggle competitions. You can also build your own actual project portfolio and upload that on GitHub. And it's an interesting field to be a part of. Just try and skill up to maintain that level and you will have a long, successful career in this field. If you have any other questions for me on data analysis, data science, AI, machine learning, please drop them in the comment section below and I'll definitely take them up in my next videos.